Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. Wish you all a International Coffee Day. So since it's a coffee day today, we are going to use coffee in skincare. Okay, so I have come up with three easy DIY recipes, which is face mask with coffee. So I think all the ingredients you will find in your kitchen today, so you don't have to buy anything else. Okay, so first is the coffee mask. So coffee mask we will make with coffee, grounded coffee powder. Then we will use yogurt in it and honey. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm taking a tablespoon of coffee powder, in which I'll add again a tablespoon of yogurt powder and half a teaspoon of honey. Okay, so what does coffee do for your skin? Okay, so coffee is high in antioxidant, so it will help to protect from radical damage and help to fight aging. Okay, so it will also help to keep the skin hydrated by reducing the transepidermal water loss, and it will protect your skin from UV rays. Okay, coffee is also helpful for brightening. Okay, so it will give you a nice glowing skin. So here is our easy DIY face mask. Okay, so this is with 1 tablespoon of freshly grounded coffee powder, in which I have added tablespoon of yogurt powder. Yogurt, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and half a teaspoon of honey. Okay, so just mix it well and your coffee face mask is ready. Always when you make a face mask, right, when you mix it, keep it aside for about 5 minutes, let the ingredients get activated, and then you apply it on the skin. Okay, people who are having sensitive skin, always do a patch test before applying it on the face. Always do a patch test on the inner side of the wrist. Okay, or inner side of your elbow. So just apply there, see if you have any itching or no. If you don't have any itching, you can directly apply it on the face. Okay, always activate it, keep it aside, let it activate for around 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you apply it on the face. Leave it on the face for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then what you can do is just dip your fingertips in water and gently massage it once this mask is applied. After you massage, what you have to do is just rinse it off with cold water, and then you can apply rose water after it, and you can apply your favorite moisturizer. So our first easy DIY mask is ready. Now let's come to the second one. So this is a body scrub, okay, which is with grounded coffee powder. Okay, I'm taking around 2 tablespoons of grounded coffee, in which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pink salt. And see, you can either use honey or you can use vegetable glycerin. Both will work like a humectant in the scrub. So in this I'm taking vegetable glycerin. Okay, so I'm taking around a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and we will add coconut oil around a tablespoon. Okay, now mix this all ingredients together. Okay, and now coffee body scrub is ready. So you can store it in the airtight container, and make sure it doesn't has any no water goes in it, so it can last for couple of usage. So you can use this twice a week to exfoliate your body or hand and feet. So this will also help you to reduce the cellulite. Okay, so this was a second easy DIY. Now the third one is a lip smoother. Okay, so what we will do, this is a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil, in which I will add half a teaspoon of coffee powder, Okay, and we will mix it very well. Okay, now what you have to do is, with the help of your fingertips, okay, you take a small amount from here and gently massage from sides to inside. Okay, and let it leave for around 5 minutes, and then just take a damp cloth and wipe it off. So this will, whenever you're going out for a party and you feel your lips are you need just a nice smooth look, you can use this. Okay, so this will work like a lip smoother. I hope you have enjoyed the session today, and I'll see you soon in my next session next Friday with a new topic. So till then, stay safe and take proper precautions when you're going out. So whoever are interested in our workshops, the new October list is already put on the news feed. Tomorrow I'm having cold processed soap workshop. On Tuesday, which is 5th of October, we are having a candle making workshop. So Diwali is just month away, and you can make beautiful candles. So we are going to include peeler candle, mold candle, jar candles, and how to print a photo on your candle. So different varieties, color therapy, how you can use it, and how to use essential oils in your candles. Okay, so if anybody is interested in that, you can get back to me on Messenger, and I'll let you know about the pricing of the same. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you all soon. Thank you. Bye.